everyone. I hope you are doing great. In today's class, we're going to talk about different ways with the help of which we can add some points to the same topic. So imagine that you've started your body paragraph and now you want to add another point, maybe talking about the advantage or another disadvantage. So you can use these 6 items that I'm going to tell you about. The first one is what is more. What is more, I think the most important benefit of visiting a new place is that you could develop your understanding of the world. So as you see, I'm just adding another point. Maybe in the previously written sentence, I talked about another benefit. Now I would like to add another one. The next item is furthermore. Furthermore, children expect to be taken on holiday when they are off school during the summer. The next one, moreover, the shortage of state budgets may cause a lack of investment in upgrading schools' equipment and infrastructure. So you can see that another point has been added to the main argument. Next, in addition, TED helps to keep people informed with the latest technology. Another point has been added up, and the next one as well. So you can use as well at the end of your sentence, saying international tourism has disadvantages as well. And the last one, which is a very good one to be used in your writing, is about not only but also. The nicotine in cigarettes not only causes cancer, but also leads to several other serious diseases. Just pay attention to the way that I've used not only. So you use not only and then you use a verb and then you need to go for but also, and it has to be followed by a verb as well. For the first 4 ones, if you pay attention for what is more, furthermore, moreover, and in addition, we should use them in the beginning of our sentence and they are all followed by a comma. So do not forget to obey this rule because that is very important to be followed. So thank you guys. It was today's class and I hope you are enjoying these kind of videos. Please support me and give me that kind of encouragement and motivation by subscribing to the channel and smashing that like button. If you want, you can write your own sentences using these words and you can comment them down below so that I can read them and correct them if needed. Thank you for your cooperation and take care.